At Abode, learning isn't limited to books. It's a journey of curiosity, creativity, and character. Through programs like Curio and Think Blink, every child explores ideas that spark imagination. With Math-a-Thon, Lekhan, and Read-a-Thon, they build confidence, expression, and a love for learning. Student-led presentations and ABODE-Ed empower them to lead, share, and grow with purpose. Fun Fridays and Adhvan remind them that joy and discovery go hand in hand. Abode, where education inspires strong minds and happy souls. Located in Tellapur, a campus where learning meets life. Visit Abode today, a school where learning truly comes alive.